Evaluating whether Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is a good company involves looking at its operational strengths, its market position, and its investment characteristics. As a company, yes, Kratos is generally considered a promising and strategically important company in the defense sector. Disruptive Innovator. Kratos focuses on providing affordable, advanced technologies to the defense market. This disruptive approach, particularly in unmanned systems, sets them apart from larger, more traditional prime contractors. Their XQ-58A Valkyrie drone is a prime example, offering sophisticated capabilities at a lower cost, which aligns with modern defense strategies for mass and attritable assets. Strong position in key growth areas. They are heavily invested in critical and rapidly growing areas of defense, including unmanned systems. Drones for combat, reconnaissance, and target practice are a major focus for future warfare. Space systems. Their satellite ground systems and virtualized solutions are crucial for the evolving space economy and military satellite operations. Hypersonics. This is a top priority for the US military. Increasing demand and contract wins. Kratos is consistently winning significant contracts from the US government and allied nations, reflecting strong demand for their specialized products. Their backlog and bid pipeline are growing. Technological expertise. They possess deep expertise in areas like jet propulsion, microwave electronics, and advanced simulation, which are vital for their product offerings. Financial performance. They have shown consistent revenue growth, with first quarter 2025 revenues up 9.2% year-over-year, while their net margins are currently thin 1.68% in Q1 2025. This is common for companies in heavy investment phases. They are forecasting strong future revenue and earnings growth. For example, analysts predict 13.3% annual revenue growth and 30.9% earnings growth over the next few years. They recently completed a significant public offering of common stock, raising $575 million to fund strategic investments and expansion. As an investment KTOS stock, Kratos stock presents a high-growth, higher-risk investment profile, significant upside potential. The company is well-positioned in high-growth defense markets. Success in scaling up drone production and securing more large-scale programs could lead to substantial revenue and earnings growth. Analyst optimism. The consensus among analysts is a moderate buy or buy rating, with several analysts recently raising their price targets, some as high as $70. This reflects confidence in the company's prospects. High valuation. Kratos currently trades at a very high price-to-earnings (PE) ratio over 450 and price-to-sales (PAS) ratio, indicating that a great deal of future growth and success is already. This means any setbacks or slower than expected growth could lead to price corrections. Not consistently profitable yet. While revenue is growing, the company is still in a phase of heavy investment in research, development, and expanding manufacturing capabilities. Consistent high profitability at the net level is a future expectation, rather than a current reality. Execution risk. Scaling production of complex defense systems and delivering on large contracts involves inherent execution risks. Delays or technical challenges could impact financial performance. Government contracting risk. A significant portion of their revenue comes from government contracts, which can be subject to budget cycles, political shifts, and competitive bidding processes. Stock volatility. The stock has seen significant price surges and declines, reflecting its growth stock nature and sensitivity to news and market sentiment. For example, it surged 78% in the last quarter, but can also experience sharp drops, as seen with a 10% decline recently for a top loser. In summary, Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is a compelling company from an operational and strategic standpoint, playing a vital role in modernizing defense capabilities. As an investment, it's suitable for investors with a higher risk tolerance and a long-term outlook who believe in the company's ability to execute on its ambitious growth plans and capitalize on the significant opportunities in the defense technology sector.
Okay, let's go.